All right, so good evening, everyone. My name is Dinesh, and I'm from TradeTron, and I look after sales and the support side. And today we are going to understand the details of TradeTron.tech platform and how you can use this platform for execution of your strategy via API in Goodwill account. So your Goodwill account, how you can execute automated strategies, or you can create a strategies, how you can create a strategies and select a strategy from marketplace. So all that we'll understand. Also how you will add your Goodwill account. So first thing is you have to sign up on a platform. So here is the uh, platform details as TradeTron.tech. And so Ramkumar, have you updated the details on your website anywhere? I can show them how can they can directly sign
Not
up
yet,
from your website.
probably tonight will be done. Tonight.
Okay, sure. Fine. So the link will be available on a Goodwill website itself, and you will be communicated with that as well. So from there, you can directly click on that link and you can log in. So this page will open up, and here you have to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, here are the details you have to fill in and create your free account. And after that, you click on sign in and log in with that account. So I'll log in my account now. So TradeTron is solving two very important and mostly faced by retail trader two major issues. So first is on the strategy creation part. So let's say if any trader he has got his own strategy and want to automate that strategy, they have to go through a lot of problem in terms of getting that strategy coded. Then they have to go for the data feed connection. Then there is a VPS connection required. So there is a lot of complexity for any trader to start with algo trading. But because of TradeTron, now all this hassle for a trader to start algo trading is completely solved in terms of like on our platform, there is no requirement of separate data feed. There is no requirement of a VPS connection because our strategy is running on cloud and we have our own data feed service, data feed provider, and you can create your strategy without coding. So that is one part. Second is, let's say if you do not know which strategy to follow or how to participate in the market, there is already more than 400 plus strategies listed on our website, and you can check with those details and understand information of individual strategy, and then you also have an option of deploying and testing for without risking real money, and then you can start with the live money as well. So you have paper trading option as well. So I'll show you how to approach and how you can connect your Goodwill account and then start trading using a selecting a strategy from the marketplace, and how you can deploy it in your account. The first thing is to add your Goodwill account. You have to click on the once you log in, you have to click on this name, and here is the option of broker and exchange. Just click on broker and exchange, and you can see here the details of add broker. So when you click on add broker, you will get this drop down. From this drop down, you will select Goodwill Wealth Management. So here I have already added. So I'll just edit this and show you how it looks. So once you select Goodwill Wealth Management, so you will get this kind of detail. This particular form will open up, and you have to put your client ID of Goodwill account, your password for login, your token. So this token and session, this two will remain blank. So in place of token, you don't have to put anything. In place of session, you have to input a space bar, or you can put any random number or alphabet. So, but there is nothing required from your end to put anything in token, and in session, just put anything. In user ID, you'll put your client ID, and the password is your Goodwill password. Also, it is very important. I again repeat, it is very important for you to stay logged in any of the application of Goodwill in order to take the trade. That means you have to at least stay logged in the web application or any application, mobile application, to whenever the signal is generated for that to get executed in your account, because without this your API session will get invalidated and the orders will not go through. So it is very important for you to stay logged in any of the application of Goodwill. Even if you don't log in on TradeTron, that is okay. But there has to be a mandatory login at Goodwill for trades to get executed. Now I have added the broker and I'll click save. So now this is added. I'll go to the strategies. I'll go to my strategies, sorry, marketplace. Now let's say you want to select a strategy from the marketplace and you want to deploy that strategy. So first of all, how to select a strategy on marketplace. So you can see you already have an option over here, search strategies. You can directly search from the instrument that if you wish to trade. So you can type only Nifty strategies. So it will show you only Nifty strategies. If you want to type Bank Nifty, so it will show you all Bank Nifty strategies. If you type crude, so it will show you all crude strategies. Like that, any strategy creator name that you want to search from, so you can search from that as well. So also you can sort it by rating. There is a sorting done by the rank, fees, tags, exchanges. They are fixed strategies. So you can just click on free strategies. So it will show you only all the free strategies and then paid strategies like that. Now here is a strategy name and there is a details over here. So what are this information? So you can see the strategy when it was created, it was 9 months ago, and there are 221 clients who are trading live. This is a strategy name is Go. It is created by Vikram Bajaj, and the return on investment since inception, that is from some beginning of this 9 months, has been 323%. The max loss has been 32,000 or 46% of the capital, and the capital required is 70,000. This is the long option strategy of Nifty. Now, what does this mean? Monthly fee free plus 20%. So this particular strategy is free to subscribe. But if there is a profit, so strategy creator will charge 20% of the profit. Right? Here, same thing you can see. Here is another strategy, and here is another strategy. So now to know what this strategy is all about and what are the information, you have to click on the name of the strategy. So once you have clicked, you can see the details over here. If you have any question, here is the option of contact or message. So you can directly message the strategy creator. You can ask your question. You can read the details over here. So here is the strategy details. What is the risk? What is the average 30 to 35 trades is taking, and what is the information? You can also check the details over here. So here is the statistics page. So this is the statistics page of the deployment on paper trading. So as you can see, this strategy was launched on 6th of November, and so far it has generated a profit of 2,26,000 on a capital of 70,000. And you can see the monthly return as well. So monthly has been a very profitable. All month have been pretty good, and you can see. So this strategy is long option. So obviously the drawdown is higher, but the capital requirement is also low. And similarly, you can see the profit pattern as well. Also, you can analyze based on the other feedbacks and details over here. So you can see there are other users who have given the feedback over here, and you can check that and read as well. Now, if you want to subscribe this particular strategy, all you have to do is click on subscribe. So when you click on subscribe, you will see strategy subscribe successful. Now we'll go to the strategies. You'll click on my strategies. In my strategies, you will see the strategy which is created and the strategies which are subscribed. So when you click on subscribe, it will give you the show you the details of which strategy you have subscribed from the marketplace. Now there are, as I mentioned, there are more than 400 strategies, and it will be very difficult for individual to check individual strategies for all of you. So here is the option of strategy stats. Just click on the strategy stats, and you can keep checking this every month. We update this page every month based on the return. So you can check here the April strategy, April month, based on April month, we have sorted this particular page and these strategies. And here we have mentioned what is the capital required, what is the gross P&L for that particular month, what is the profit what is the overall cost for the transaction based on the transaction, what has been the net return in percentage, max one day gain, max one day loss, what is the Sharpe, how much capital is deployed, live capital. This is this what you see the capital over here is the live deployment and the number of trades. So similarly, you can see there are other strategies like that, and you can see the details of the strategy deployment and other information. Let's say if you want to know the more details, you have to simply click on the link and it will directly take you to the strategy page, and then you can read the description details and understand the informations of individual strategies. Now we will deploy one strategy in one of the Goodwill account, but prior to that, I'll just show you what are the options available. So let's say now you want to deploy this strategy. I'll click on deploy, and here is a multiply option. So this multiply is nothing but whenever you want to increase the quantity of execution based on your account size, so you can select a multiplier. It will simply multiply the default quantity of the strategy. So if it is a one lot, then it will take whatever the multiplier you apply. So if it is one lot and you select 4x, then it will take 4 lots like that. Then we provide 4 types of execution. The first one is live auto. In live auto, whenever the signal is generated, the orders get executed automatically. There is no manual intervention required. There is nothing that manually need to be checked or approved or anything. So in live auto, everything goes automatically without any manual intervention. In live auto one click, you have the control of execution. So you only when you approve or you proceed on a deployed page, only then the trades will fire in your Goodwill account. So whenever the signal is generated, you have to click proceed to execute the trade. Sorry. So in live offline, you will not get any execution, but whenever the signal is generated, you will be informed via SMS, phone call, or email and WhatsApp messages. Then you can manually go ahead and place that order, or you can ignore that signal, up to you. So basically, it is kind of more of alert generation tool, and where you can decide which trade that you want to enter manually, or whatever the action you want to take after that, those particular logic is met. And the fourth one is paper trading. So in paper trading, you do not have to risk any money. You can deploy it without risking real money. You are checking. You can check as many conditions, as many strategies that you want. So you obviously it depends on the number of deployment that is allowed to you, that we will discuss. But in paper trading, you can deploy a strategy before making it live in your real money. So you can test and you can understand what is the performance, how it is functioning, and also if you want to create your own strategy, the same way you can do it. And so let's say if I click live auto, I'll select Goodwill, and if I click on deploy, it will directly get deployed. So now I'll show you the live example in Gold Petal. So we will execute one order. So this will buy one lot of Gold Petal basically. So I'll go back. So I'll click on deploy, 1x live auto, and this is Goodwill management. So you can deploy as many strategies as you want in the same broker also. Deploy, go to deploy based on the plan that you select. So now I have deployed live in Goodwill account. As you can see here, right now there is no orders that has been there, and we'll show you the execution now. I have kept as a 1 minute condition check here. So it is taking. If you select continuous condition check, then the order will get placed immediately. As you can see right now, is live tranching. That means it is started to take. Now it is live entered. When you see a live entered, that means the order has already been executed. Now you go back and refresh this page. You can see the gold petal has been bought at 4793. Here is 4793. At 425, this is the time. You can see here. So this is that fast. Now if I want to exit this particular, so you can see here is the counter is also given. I can change the multiplier before the execution. I can check the notification log. I can go here. I can check the notification log. So this is the notification of when it was entered and other details. I can download the trade data. I can also exit from here. So now let's say if I want to pause this strategy, I can pause from here. If I want to exit, so I'll just click on exit now. Now you can see the state has gone from live tranching to exited. So now the strategy is exited, and you can see here as well, the strategy is place the sell order as well. So it is that fast. The strategy will automatically place the order for you based on the condition set, and it will not require any manual intervention. It will automatically buy and sell. I can change the execution here as well. Also, what does this counter means? So basically, let's say whenever the status goes from active to exited. So as you can see right now for this live execution also, when this was active and when it went to exited, so that cycle is completed and it is a 1. The counter is 1. So this entire cycle from active to taking a position and then exiting that position, the entire cycle is considered as 1 counter. So you can see here there has been overall 171 counters, and here is the all the counters profitability. I can check the statistics also here. So what has been the profitability for this particular strategy? And I can also go and check the dashboard. So you can also see the details based on what levels that it has entered, what time and everything. So what was the entry time, what was the exit time, how the position management has happened. All that you can check from here as well. Now, if you want to check the details of all this quick summary of all the deployment, so you can check it from here. So let's say if I want to pause the strategy, I can click over here. I can click pause like that. I can start again. I can also manage the position from here. I can check the details over here on a dashboard itself. I can check the market watch, open positions, Greeks, order book, notification. All that option is available in dashboard. Now, let's say you want to make this strategy available for the multiple clients. Let's say you want to make it available for your family, friends, or your close network, your private clients for that matter, or if you want to run it for your client. So even that is possible. In case if you don't want to list on marketplace and you want to share your strategies. So let's say here is a strategy. This is a demo strategy, which is a template basically. And if I just click over 3 dots and click on all deployed, over here, I'll be able to see all the clients deployment over here. I can manage the position from here. So basically I can, if I click exit and click on update status, then it will exit for all the clients. Now this particular strategy is a template. So there is no live deployment here. But if you see a live deployment for your strategies, then you will see all the deployments over here itself. And you can manage it from here. You can update, you can pause the strategy, you can update the status. Also, you can, if you want to monetize on your strategy and you're charging some fees on that, let's say some fixed fee or a variable fee. So you can get the details over here. You can also sort out based on this subscriber, what is the profitability, based on strategy, what is the profitability, how much you want to invoice, how much the amount is already been invoiced. All that details you will get from here. You can broadcast the messages to the clients. You can send them invoices for your strategies. So all that you can create over here. So you can just select on reports. In reports, you can get the complete view of all your deployment. Let's say you're running some strategies, which is a directional strategy or a non-directional strategy. Some are on equities, some are on bank nifties and all. So you can check the entire algo performance as a portfolio of algos of the all the algos performance uh, from the reports, and you can download it. So you can check individual day wise also for individual strategies like this, and also you can get a complete view of how much the overall P&L has been for entire portfolio level. You can also enable the notification as per your requirement. So right now in my account, I have only enabled WhatsApp messages, SMS, call, email. I have disabled. So if you want to enable any of this, you can do that from your side. Now, so this is the entire details on how the strategy selection works and where to check the information. Now we also provide the strategy builder. So this is a strategy builder. Basically, here you create your strategies. We have got 180 keywords which you can create. So you can create obviously multi-leg kind of strategies like any straddle, strangle, butterfly, multi-leg. You want to take a trade on in options using reference price, a reference of future or spot. That is possible. You can do pair trading. You can do delta neutral strategies, gamma scalping strategies. All that those kind of strategies you can initiate, you can create, and you can trade in your goodwill account. And how to do that, how to create the strategies and everything, we have been doing a lot of videos on previously, and we have recorded all that videos, and it will be easy for you to check and you know go back and keep looking at those details, and you will be very clear on what are the parameters used. So basically you have to just click on video section, click on YouTube channel. So on YouTube channel, you can go to this playlist option, and in playlist, just click on view full playlist. So when you click on view full playlist, you can see here, there are so many videos that we have already recorded, and you can go through each and every videos which has explained in detail all the entire page of our strategy creation, what all additional setting means, what is this marketplace setting means, how to use that. Everything is explained in these videos. So I request you all to check that this particular video, and also you can see this particular video section where we have created a small uh, keyword based. You can see here there's so many details in a small videos that we have showcased here. So how to use a position builder keyword and strategy builder keyword. So you need to spend some time in order to understand this particular strategy creation. Obviously it is going to be much very or much simple, or we can say extremely simple in terms of learning any language for coding. Because if you go for any language, programming language understanding, it will take nearly about 6 months to 9 months. But here if you spend few hours, you will be able to understand the strategy creation by yourself. Here is a strategy template, just in case if you want to uh, like just use a template and then build your strategy. So you can just click over here. Here is a already ready-made strategy. You can just click on duplicate. You can also see some of the other strategies over here. And when you click on duplicate, it will reflect in my strategies page. And from my strategies, you can like this, it will show. And from here, you can click on edit. And then you can edit the parameters as per your requirement. So when you click on edit over here, you can change this. Also, you can check our blogs. So here is a blog section. You can check how to. So let's say if you want to integrate the third party tool Signal. So let's say you do not want to build a strategy on TradeTron. You already have a strategy built, and it is available on TradingView or AmiBroker or any third party tool. So you can like we are providing our API for free. So you can link your that particular strategy via API and send the signals via API to TradeTron, and from TradeTron it will execute in your Goodwill account. So here is the blogs, step by step to create a TradeTron strategies, TradingView, how to connect AmiBroker, Bollinger Band strategies. So all that this particular information is available over here. So yeah, so pretty much this is the, if you want to know the details, these are the list of partners, and we have these goodwill wealth management instruction over here. So in case if you want to understand, so just click next to goodwill, there is a setup instruction. Just click on the setup instruction and you will see the details over here. Yeah, so it is very easy information that you can select and you can configure your goodwill account. So we'll understand the pricing details now. How much this particular platform, this technology will cost for you in order to start trading via algo. So as I mentioned already before that algo trading, if you just try and learn programming and try to do everything, at your end in terms of building the strategies and also connecting via data feed and everything, it is a very cumbersome and at the same time very costly as well. But because the Tradetron is able to share this infrastructure with all the clients, and this is available at this pricing, and what are the features available, I'll tell you. So let me just again put this thing that this is the only amount that you pay for running the strategies on Tradetron. For data feed, for server, and everything is included in this, and there is no software to download. You can download our app from here, which is still in beta mode, but we have recently launched our mobile app. But yeah, from as such, there is no software to download to install in your computer. It is a web-based platform. You can use it anywhere in any computer. Now, the features that you get is, first is in a free plan, you get to deploy one strategy on paper trading without any cost. So you will be able to deploy one strategy. Either you can create your own strategy or marketplace strategy. Then there is a starter plan. In starter plan, you can deploy one strategy live also. So you can deploy the strategy in live auto. So in paper trading, you can also, so in this free strategy, you can also deploy in live auto one click to test a strategy. But to make it completely live auto, you have to pay 250 rupees for entire month. So for entire month, the only cost is 250 rupees to run one strategy. And you also get a notification of email, WhatsApp, SMS, phone call. And here is a retail plan. So in retail plan, you get in 1000 rupees, you can deploy 5 strategies. And here is a 10 backtest that you get, which is again in beta mode. But yes, you can test it. There are some strategies which is getting tested properly. And here is you get the email, WhatsApp, SMS, phone call. And in 2500 rupees, you also get a continuous condition check. Here you're getting 1 minute condition check. So what does this mean? So the data is real-time data only, but the conditions are checked in 1 minute. So let's say if your condition is checked for this particular minute, it will be checked only once. The next condition will be checked in the next minute. So in continuous, let's say the cycle takes only 4 seconds. So every 4 seconds, the condition will keep getting checked. So in 2500 rupees, you get continuous condition check, 10 deployment. You can deploy 10 strategies simultaneously. You get 25 backtest, and all the strategies you can deploy. Sorry. So in portfolio manager plan, you can the cost is 5000 rupees, and you can make 5 strategies available for sharing the signal. So you can share strategy signal, and you can list it on a marketplace also. 5 strategies you can list it, and you can further monetize on your strategies by charging the fees to the subscribers, and accordingly you can earn from that as well. And there is a continuous condition check, 25 strategies that you can deploy simultaneously, 50 backtest. You can onboard unlimited clients, so there is no limit for these 5 strategies that you want to share. You can onboard unlimited clients, and whatever the sharing that you get, so let's say you're charging 1000 rupees, we will take 20% of that, that is 200 rupees, and remaining 800 rupees will be credited into your wallet. From here you can withdraw the funds. And then last plan is a fund and institution plan, which is a 15,000 rupees plan, where you can, if you have a huge client base, then you can go for 15,000 plan, where you can get unlimited public strategies that you can create, continuous condition check, you get unlimited number of strategies that you can deploy. There is no sharing of any revenue, so whatever you earn from your clients entirely will be yours. and then this is the other plans. Yeah. So this is the overall features and details of TradeTron, and this is how you can connect your Goodwill account. I request Mr. Ramkumar to you can ask for any Q&A. We can open a Q&A section. Please write on chat, and we'll be happy to assist on that. So I've got a first question from Mr. Ajay Nimbalkar asking free plus 20% means. So free means 20% is basically it is strategy is free to subscribe, and 20% is a profit sharing. And how you will pay the strategy, the money to the strategy creator is whenever the invoice is generated by the strategy creator, that you will receive an email, and in that email there will be a link for making a payment. So you can have to click on that link and you can make a payment. So is there any other questions? Please ask. Ram Kumar, are you there? So Mr. Vaidyanathan is asking what will happen I trading portal password is expired and TradeTron will get any notification? No. So if your trading portal password is expired, it is you have to update from broker and exchange, and you have to update it. Let's say in case if you have failed to update it, so you will get an error execution on TradeTron, which will give you the notification. So when you check over here, and here you will see error execution, and when you go to the notification log, here you will get an update that why the order got rejected, and then you can check. So there is a possibility you might get a error message saying the credentials not valid or something like that. You will get over here. So then you will be able to understand, okay, the details need to be changed over here. So you have to go to broker and exchange and then click on this pencil edit option and change the details over here, password. It is the same in the regional language. Few clients are asking. Which language you want, Mr. Sundaram? Okay, so we'll check in team if we can arrange in Tamil, maybe this month or next month, so we can do that. I'll check in and let you know. I'll communicate with Mr. Ramkumar, and you can get the details from Mr. Ramkumar in that case. So what do you mean by backtesting? Will you check the data or rely on your analysis? So yeah, backtesting I have. So backtesting is still in beta mode, but I'll show you a little bit on the details of how one can backtest a strategy. So if you go to the my strategies, so let's say if I want to backtest this particular strategy, I'll click on backtest. So as of now, we have a data for NSE, then FNO index, futures, and options index only. MCX data we don't have, and you can test any strategy from 1st January 2020 till date. And in any backtest request that you're giving, you can give maximum for a 6 month for a single backtest request. So if you want to give it for another 6 months, you have to again backtest and you have to use it from it. So let's say if I want to backtest now, I can test it from November, let's say 19, and I can select here 18, select the candle frequency at the close of the candle, at the open of the candle, at the close, and I'll click on backtest. So it will start backtesting, and it will take a day's time to get the report basically. So here is already some of the backtest report details over here. You will see the backtest details from here. So here you can check the individual, the previous days, execution, what has been. You can check the details over here also. You can suppress the nil quantity and directly go to the end. What is the profitability, total profitability, like that. Here you can see the range, from which range it is. Will you check the data? Is any strategy from TradeFund for new or beginner client? Yeah, there's so many strategies here. This marketplace is all for the beginners only, or anyone who is looking for a strategies. This is the best place to start with, and also the best ways to first you paper trade the strategy, and also here is the strategy stat. So you already have the information of some of the profitable strategies here. You can see the returns 32%, 34%, 35%. There's so many good strategies available over here. And also you can check the number of trades that is happening in individual strategies. Like that, you can select. Mock session, you can test it on a paper trading, and also you can select a live auto one click in free. So live auto one click is allowed. One strategy you can also trade in live auto one click for free. You can please raise a at support at Tradetron.tech for this mobile application login. You can check that. I'll write down the email over here. Support at Tradetron.tech. So yeah, we do provide a strategy creation service, which is a chargeable service, and the cost is in the range of 5,000 to 50,000. I'll show you how much. I'll share that strategy questionnaire link also in case if you want us to build a strategy. This stop loss target will automatically execute it for CNC and holding also. Yes, it can work on positional strategies as well. Can we put strategies from trading view to here? If yes, show the demo please. Yes, you can here already the demo is given. You can also check on our videos. So or you can check the details over here. The blog option is already given, and also video is also uploaded on our YouTube channel. So you go to blog and you click here, trading view integration. Here is the details with all the information how you can connect. You can square a position manually also, but in that case you have to pause the strategy at Tradetron. Otherwise, whenever the exit signal is generated, it will exit again. So you have to pause the strategy at Tradetron in order to handle it manually. Pause, or you can delete also. Yes, Tradetron mobile app is there. You can download it from Google Play Store. To upload your strategy, will you accept our performance analysis? So we don't upload any performance analysis. What you see on the statistics is system generated. So nobody can manipulate that particular statistics. But in a description page, you can put any details you want. So description page can be of yours, so you can put any details. Group orders can be placed or not from sub broker. Yeah, so you can place the orders in multiple clients. So all they have to do is just select that your particular strategy, and whenever the signal is generated, it will execute in multiple clients. Yes, you can do it in both. That is possible. Mr. Sumesh Tilikan, you can do it in Goodwill and Zerodha both. If you work on weekly option, do you have a premiums to check? Yes, you can check. You can take an entry based on premium option. Yes, you can do that. If you build a strategy for can we load a performance? This is already answered. Is there any minimum maximum amount specified for wallet section? No. You can withdraw it once in a week basically. So you can withdraw that. Please contact support at Tradetron.tech for any more further information.
You can get the details from there. If you need any extra updates, client or sub-broker point, is it possible to adapt in Triton? Yes, you can definitely write to us. As I mentioned, we can give you further clarification, or if you want to connect on one-on-one, we can connect that as well. We can do that. Can you show a live trade in commodity market which is running back? I've already shown you the details, right? The commodity, this execution is already done in front of you, and the recording is also available in case if you want to check. So here you can see this was a live demo only. You can create your own account, Mr. Ajay Nimbarkar, and do it in crude silver. It will work in the same way. Can you show me crude and silver mini strategy and return? You have to search a strategy. See, Traton is a technology provider, end of the day, and we have built a platform where you can select a strategy as per your choice, or you can create a strategy as per your choice, and you can use Traton for managing those trades or execution. Mr. Ramcharan, you can check with our strategy on our strategy marketplace. I think there are a lot of strategies that will help you in terms of your requirement. It depends on the strategy, Mr. Raja, how much capital is required for, and what is the percentage of profit and everything. How many times it will get executed in a day? Uh, I'm getting a lot of questions, similar questions. So as I mentioned that on our marketplace, the strategies are created by the strategy creator who are a user of Tradetron. Now it is up to you how to select the strategy, and then you can decide which strategy to select, how much trade is taking, what are the details. You can directly contact the creator itself. How to contact them is by just so here is the strategy. Let's say this is a strategy, and if you want to contact this strategy creator, just click on the message icon and you can type your question. So you can get your all your strategy related query clarified by the creator only. Traton will not be able to assist in that. It has no connection with the Nest software. We don't have any connection. You have to stay logged in Goodwill account and for orders to get executed. Yeah, Mr. Nimbarkar, you can send your details on support at Traton.tech and our team will get back to you on this thing. After deploying the strategy, we can shut down the laptop and the trade will execute. You can shut down the laptop, but you have to stay login in your application. So either you can stay login in your mobile application of Goodwill. Tradetron login is not mandatory. You can once the strategy is deployed, it will take a trade automatically because all our algos are deployed on a server. So it is not nothing to do with the computer that you are operating. Okay, so I think we are pretty much answered some of the questions over here. Okay, I've got a few more questions now. What is API? API is a basically application programming interface where the executions. So let's say that at all the checking of the order conditions and the parameter is done at Tradetron level. Whenever that those parameters are true, and now the orders should be sent for entry or exit. That is sent to a broker via API. So API is nothing but is a link between the broker and the Tradetron to communicate on the orders transaction. That's it. How to restrict customers in Tradetron? I'm not clear. As in, are you going to provide any admin portal for us? So you can, as I mentioned, you can also, let's say, if you were talking in reference to your own strategy, that how you want to stop others, so you can make your strategy as a private strategy. That option is available when you create a strategy itself. So when you create a strategy, there is an option of making the strategy privately public. So nobody else can see that. But let's say still, if you want to make others or any of the user that you do not want them to subscribe, so you can click on unsubscribe or block them. So that is also possible. So in case if the network is gone or internet or electricity, so the goodwill application will stop. In case if you're using a desktop or a laptop, or like in case of internet, the laptop will also get impacted. But what I'm saying is the goodwill should work. If the goodwill session is invalidated, then it will not execute. So goodwill application should stay login. If you again log in, it will get activated and it will take the trade like that. Ramkumar, are you there?
Yeah, Dinesh, I'm there.
Okay. So I think pretty much we are done with the questions.
Yeah, I've seen that.
So fine. So any further question to the participants? I request you all to please write to support@traytron.tech and our team will get in touch with you.
Nice.
Okay. All right. So shall we end the session, Ramkumar?
Yeah, I think we have almost covered all the questions, right? Fine then. Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Dinesh. Thanks a lot for your valuable timing and support. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone joining in and have a wonderful day. Thanks.
Thank you. Cheers.